This video will show you how to get more hunters in solo leveling Arise. You want to build your ultimate hunter team in solo leveling Arise. Here's how. You should complete more stories and dungeons. Progressing through the story unlocks free hunters, especially early on. Also use the draw system. Tap draw in the lobby to spend essence stones or summon tickets. You should also participate in events. It often gives free tickets, shards, or even full hunters just by logging in, battling, or completing tasks. Check the shop. Use guild coins and activity points in the game shop to buy hunter shards or tickets. Also, join a guild. Being active in a guild unlocks extra rewards and currencies you can use for draws or shard exchange. Bonus tip is save up 180 draws for guaranteed SSR through the pity system. Now get out